everyone, and welcome back to Jean's 25 Days of Baking Day 9. Instead of making a sweet food like we do normally, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a savory food. Today we're actually making an appetizer. Here are the ingredients that you will need for today's video. You will need pizza dough, cheese, marinara sauce, which is optional, and of course pepperoni. So first we started off by cutting our pizza dough into rectangle shapes, like long rectangles, and then we placed down a layer of pepperoni. We just cut our pepperoni in half, and then we placed a layer of cheese. We're using two kinds of cheese today. We're using American cheese and Swiss cheese, but you can use whichever kind of cheese you like. So we placed our rolls on our non-stick pan and just rolled all three of them up, and then we continued that process with the rest of our rolls. And as you can see, these are so easy to make. They're perfect for a Christmas party or to just serve to your family, and they're just super simple and great for the holidays. Okay, so we continued that process with the rest of our rolls, and they look like this. They look really good, and they're really simple to make. So after that, we decided to brush them with some butter and some Italian parsley. This is of course optional, but I feel like it just makes it taste better and just look a lot better. So we just brushed those on. Okay, so now we put it in our oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until it's golden brown, or the brown that you like. So this is what it looks like now that it's done. As you can see, it looks so good and it's so simple to make. And that basically concludes our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and of course make sure to turn on your post notifications if you enjoy our videos. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow. Bye!